Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jaguar XF with the key. First, find the small release button on your key fob. Press it to slide out the hidden metal key blade. Next, look closely at the driver's door handle. There's often a small cover or slot. Insert the key blade into this slot and turn it gently to manually unlock the door. This method is essential if your key fob battery is dead or not working. Finding the keyhole can be a bit tricky as it's often designed to be discreet. On many Jaguar XF models, it's hidden behind a small, removable cap on the driver's door handle. You can carefully use the emergency key blade itself to gently pry this cap off. Alternatively, some designs might have the keyhole subtly placed on the underside of the door handle, so check there too. After locating and exposing the keyhole, insert the emergency key blade completely. You'll need to turn the key firmly, usually about 90 degrees, in the direction that unlocks the door. This action manually operates the locking mechanism. You should hear a distinct click as the door unlocks. Once unlocked, you can open the door as usual and access the vehicle's interior. If your key fob battery is dead, you can still start your Jaguar XF. Once inside, look for a specific backup location, often a slot or a marked area near the steering column or in the center console. Place your key fob directly into this spot. This allows the car to read the fob's transponder chip. With the fob in place, press the Start/Stop button as you normally would to ignite the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.